How much offer can I get for my house in Pensacola? This question I get asked a lot by homeowners. First thing they reach out to me and they give me their property information, and I want to tell you my answer is the same all the time. Is first the area, the two biggest factor for the our offer for any house in Pensacola and surrounding cities would be the area that the house in, because every area has a price per square feet based on the comps the houses were sold in the last 6 months in that neighborhood. The second factor would be is the repairs that the house needs. Of course, the more the repairs the house needs repairs, the more the time and money we have to spend on it. However, whatever the condition of the house, whatever the situation you might be in, I can guarantee you that we will bring you our top offer. And we work so hard to bring you our best offer to help you in your situation and to get you in a better situation that you are now, to get you in a better situation tomorrow. So we gonna be very fairly to everyone that call us to make sure that we help homeowners in those areas. We buy houses in Scambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. This is Kamal with Quality Properties. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. My phone number is 850-346-4995, or you can log into our website at www.qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com. Hope to talk to you soon and have a good day. Bye.